Hello, and welcome. Have you ever looked at a photo online and wondered, is this actually real? Or was it created by artificial intelligence, or heavily edited in Photoshop? In today's digital world, it is becoming harder than ever to trust what we see. But there is a groundbreaking new solution designed to fix this. It is called C2PA metadata. Think of C2PA as a secure, digital, nutrition label for photos and videos. Just like a food label tells you the ingredients and where your food came from, C2PA tells you the exact ingredients of a digital file, where it started, how it was changed, and who made it. Let's look at a simple, real-world example of how this works in practice. Imagine you are taking a photo of a beautiful sunset with your phone. Step 1 happens the moment you click the shutter. If your camera supports C2PA, it automatically seals digital details directly inside the image file. This record might securely state, captured by Leo's phone in June 2026. This is the starting point of the chain. Step 2 occurs if you decide to edit the photo. Let us say you crop the image or brighten the colors. The editing software you use will securely append a new layer to that original digital seal, noting, cropped and brightened using software X. Finally, step 3 is when you post the photo online. Because of this continuous chain, anyone who views your photo can click a small credentials badge to see its verified history. The best part? If someone tries to secretly alter the photo or fake its origin, the secure digital seal immediately breaks, warning the viewer. It is a seamless way to guarantee authenticity. So, why does this matter to the average internet user, or to creators? There are 3 massive benefits. First, it lets you identify AI instantly. With C2PA, you do not have to guess if an image is a real photograph or an AI-generated creation from tools like Midjourney or Dolly. The metadata tells you directly. Second, it is a powerful tool to block fake news. Journalists and news organizations can use C2PA to prove that their real-world photos are genuine, unaltered, and captured at the exact time and place they claim. And third, it protects digital artists. Creators can permanently lock their digital signature onto their work. This secures their creative rights and proves they are the original masterminds behind their art. To wrap things up, it is important to remember what C2PA is and what it is not. C2PA does not judge whether an image is good or bad. It does not censor content. Instead, it simply gives you the true, verified history behind what you are looking at, so that you can make an informed decision on whether to trust it. If you are curious about how this works on your own files, you can try it out today. Just head over to verify.contentcredentials.org. You can drag and drop any compatible photo there to instantly read its secure digital timeline. Thank you so much for listening. Let us embrace a more transparent, trustworthy digital world.